Hey everyone! As the holidays roll around, we at Martech Group are feeling grateful for all the amazing partnerships and friendships we've made this year. It's been a big year for us. We've started working in new places, launched some cool new services, and kept doing great work in environmental engineering, hazmat, and building science. We couldn't do any of this without you trusting us, so thank you. We want to send a huge thank you and Merry Christmas to our awesome team, our associates, and our wonderful clients throughout the world, from Toronto to Halifax to St. Bernardino to Riyadh and beyond. We're so glad you're a part of our journey. To our hardworking team, you're the heart of Martech Group. You're also talented and passionate, and we couldn't do it without you. We're so happy to celebrate the holidays with you. To our clients and partners all over the world, thank you for choosing Martech Group for quality, accuracy, and cutting-edge work. We love helping you succeed, and we can't wait to see what we do together in 2025. This Christmas, we're wishing you and your families joy, peace, and good fortune. No matter where you are, we hope the new year brings you success, happiness, and exciting new opportunities. From everyone at Martech Group, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!